One of the things I love about Northwest Arkansas is that it is an unexpected crossroads for the world. Today we're going to talk to some folks who bring pieces of the world into your home or business and give you a unique shopping experience in the process. We're at Pacific Shore Stones in Springdale. Let's talk to Alan Ruff, the manager. Alan, tell us about Pacific Shore Stones. What is it that you guys do?
Yeah, so we're a distributor of natural stone. We also have other premium options too, like quartz. What we do is travel all over the world, bring material here to the States, and allow you as a homeowner to hand select your material for mostly kitchen countertops, but also flooring, showers, and if you want to facade a building, we can help you in that as well. Wow,
that's interesting. So you like to say that you bring the journey to us. You bringing the journey to you is kind of your motto. So these pieces of stone that you've got throughout your showroom have been on quite a journey, right? Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we pride ourselves in developing relationships with the quarries. Instead of just getting photos and buying off of a computer, we actually and the owners travel to, say, Brazil, Italy, India, develop a relationship with the owners of the quarries. By doing so, we get better information, better quality products that we can pass along to the homeowner. We take those stones, they get cut out of the earth. You can see here, this is about 5 foot by 6 foot or 10 foot by 6 foot. But this is a very, very deep stone when it's cut out. We take and put that through more or less a big industrial bread slicer down into either a 2 cm or 3 cm. Polish the surface, and at that point, that's where we come in. We can either buy that entire block if it all looks good, or if we want to just hand select certain bundles out of that, we'll do that. We'll just buy certain bundles. That way we're bringing back the premium quality stone.
Yeah, and walking through your showroom, it's a little bit like walking through an art gallery. These stones are unbelievably beautiful. What's the process like if I wanted to bring a stone like this into my house to have it be my countertop? What's that process like for a customer?
Well, you mentioned art. You wouldn't want to buy like a Picasso with just seeing a corner. You want to see the full painting. So the same is true here. We offer the ability to spread out the material so you can hand select the exact slabs that you want for your project. At that point, we'll help take care of some of the legwork, talking to your fabricator, getting all the pricing together for you. If you are agreeant to the pricing and you find the product you like, we'll get that delivered to the fabricator, and usually within a few weeks you'll have a brand new countertop.
Every business loves to pat itself on the back and think that they do customer service really well, but that's something that you actually really pride yourselves in here at Pacific Shore Stones. Tell us about why that's so important.
It's absolutely vital we provide the best customer service that we can. If I go shopping somewhere, I want to know that I'm getting the best advice I can get. I'm being treated fairly. And the same is true here at Pacific Shore Stones. We want you as a homeowner to come in, instead of getting lost in a big warehouse and not really knowing what exactly you're looking at. When you get here, you're greeted by somebody, either myself or one of my sales team. We take you out in the warehouse and show you around. If you have any questions about a stone, we are trained professionals at what we do, and we try to bring that journey to you. We try to let you know exactly what you're getting. If you're getting a marble, you should absolutely know about it. We don't want you to feel uncomfortable when you leave here. We want you to feel absolutely solid that you're getting a good quality product, and it's going to last. The last thing we want to do is sell you a marble and then you have issues with it down the road. So really treating you fairly, giving the best advice we can, and also too we have refreshments. So grab a cup of coffee, thing of water, really take your time and to find that piece
and
of
walk
stone.
Through the museum that is your showroom.
Yeah, find that perfect piece of art for your countertop or shower.
If you're looking for a unique shopping experience where you can bring a piece of art into your home or business, Pacific Shore Stones is the place in Springdale that you need to check out. Alan, thank you so much for having us today.
Absolutely.